Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to India Invest Now. In the previous video, I've shared what is an equity mutual fund and how many types of equity mutual fund are there. If you have not seen that video, link is provided in the description box below. Today, during the course of this video, we will discuss how you can buy equity mutual funds, what is a regular plan and what is a direct plan, and how direct plan generates superior returns in comparison to a regular plan. And then in the end, some recommendations from my side, and it consists of why you should buy a direct plan fund. That's it. Okay, so now let's continue further. Each and every fund has two flavors. They have a regular plan and they have a direct plan. So what is a regular plan? You buy funds for a regular plan when you are investing through a broker or some intermediary, or your transaction is being facilitated by some intermediary. Next, direct plan. So you have done your research and you want to buy the funds directly from a fund house. You don't have a distributor involved. At this point, you buy direct plan funds. Direct plan funds, you generate superior returns because you are not paying commission to a distributor, and this is pretty good in the long run. Okay. I think it would not be very clear to you, but I will continue to explain with an example. Now suppose you want to buy ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. So there are two funds, regular and direct. Okay. Next, I will discuss with you three ways how you can buy these funds. First, you can buy these funds through your Demat account. Everybody these days has a Demat account. They have opened at some point in time, like either they are investing directly in stocks or like they have invested before and right now they are not actively investing. So you can buy these mutual funds from your Demat account. But when you're buying funds from your Demat account, you can only invest in a regular plan because your Demat account company acts as an intermediary. I'll explain you. So when you're buying ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund Growth through an ICICI Demat account, ICICI Securities acts as your distributor, and therefore you are buying only a regular plan. Also, I wanted to discuss about a misconception that many people have, that when you are buying a fund through a fund house which belongs to the same group, you can investing in a direct fund. So what happens here? You're buying ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund Growth Fund from ICICI Prudential AMC, and your transaction is facilitated by ICICI Securities, which acts as a distributor. Both the groups belong to ICICI, but since they both are different entities, it's not that you are buying a direct fund from ICICI. You're buying a regular plan from ICICI Prudential AMC through ICICI Securities, which acts as your distributor. I think this whole explains you very clearly. Okay. Second, you have done your research. Now you want to buy the fund. So you want to buy a direct fund basically. So at this point, you can go to ICICI Prudential AMC website and buy the fund directly from there, or you can visit their offices all around the city and buy the fund. These are the two ways you can buy direct funds. So what you need to do is you need to go to ICICI Pro AMC, register yourself, and then start buying funds directly from there. You have got two options there as well, both regular and direct, but if you want to buy a regular, you have to provide the broker code. If you don't want to provide a broker code, you can select the direct option, and that point you can buy a fund directly. So basically, you can buy direct funds directly from the AMC website. Okay, third. Why I'm saying the third option? Because this looks pretty good to me. Like you are a user, you have done your research, okay, you have to buy multiple funds. So one fund you have bought is ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Growth Fund, which is from ICICI. Next one you want to buy is from the Aditya Birla Group. So at that point you need to again go register yourself at Aditya Birla Mutual Fund website, and then you have to invest. But what happens here is you have the hassle of registering yourself with multiple funds. Then you have to buy those funds and you have to maintain the login credentials and you have to remember where you invested. So you don't have one view where you can have all these funds together. So this is where MFU Online comes into the picture. So through MFU Online, you can buy the funds of any house directly once you register there. So once you register, you are registering one time and they will take care of the transaction with all the funds, and this is free of cost. So suppose you are registered yourself with MFU Online with your details and your bank details and everything else. Now you can buy the funds of ICICI Prudential AMC Blue Chip Growth Fund direct plan from there, and also you can buy the other Aditya Birla fund. Suppose you're looking to buy Aditya Birla Flexi Cap Fund, or you're looking to buy Aditya Birla Gen Next Fund. You can buy the direct plan for these funds from MFU Online without doing anything else. You just need to select the fund house from a drop down, and then you have to select the fund and start investing in it. So that simplifies the process of investing in mutual funds of multiple companies in a direct plan. So I will summarize. You are looking to buy a mutual fund. Through Demat account, you can only buy regular plan. Through like we can say asset management company website, second option which was, you can buy both regular plan and direct plan. Third, through MFU Online, you can buy direct plan of all the AMCs by registering at one place. So that helps you a lot. And I personally myself invested through MFU Online. Okay. Last, I said that I will also discuss why direct plans are generating superior returns than regular plan. Simple. You have done your mutual fund research and you are not giving a commission to a distributor. So at that point, you're saving on the distributor commission. So that is the reason direct plans are generating superior returns. If you take the case of ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, now direct plans were started in 2013. So this year direct plans have completed 10 years. So if you take the case of ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, both regular plan and direct plan, so 1 lakh which was invested 10 years ago in this fund, over the course of 10 years, direct plan has generated returns of 14.99% compounded, and regular plan has generated returns of 14.15% compounded. If you see the difference in returns, for a 1 lakh amount invested 10 years back, the difference in returns is around 28,493, which might sound less to you, but it's a good amount. And you should also consider that if you're keeping the funds invested for the next 10 years, you're saving this 28,493 plus this amount remains invested for the next 10 years. So that gives you more superior returns. So in the long run, every year you will save on the commission that is paid out to the distributor, and that will get compounded in itself and gives you good amount of return. So if your horizon is over 10 years, like 20 years, 30 years, anything, the longer your return, the longer your investment horizon, the better the returns in the direct plan. Next, I said some recommendations from my side. If you're going to start your mutual fund investments, register yourself on MFU Online. It's a single place to invest in any mutual fund in a direct plan. Okay. Second, do the mutual fund research. Mutual funds are managed by fund managers, but a little amount of knowledge on mutual funds will help you to decide which fund to invest in, and this in turn will help you to save a lot of broker cost. I will again repeat, it will help you to save a lot of broker costs, and that will be more superior returns for you. Third, always invest in direct funds. That's it. I hope you would have liked the content. If you like the content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can follow me on Medium. I have written the same article on the Medium for people's reference. Thank you very much and happy investing.